Hi guys, Big Mix UK. Just a quick update on my kit I'm building at the moment, which is the Honda RC211V Hillier motorcycle in 1/24 scale. Now, I've had a comment about Hillier kits are a nightmare. Touching wood, I've had no problems up to yet. As you can see, all my bits are based on this polystyrene block. I've got the frame and engine, black frame, aluminium engine. I've got the rider, all done in white at present, but he's got a lot of transfers to go on, decals. The main body, tank and that I've done in a metallic blue, the same blue as what I did the Beetle. It really does stand out nice. I've got the front fairing, that's masked off at the top there, and that is done the same colour. Obviously the mudguards just here are done the same colour. The wheels I'm going to be doing a high gloss black, because that will make these brake discs stand out really well. I've got all the rest of the bits and bobs done. I've changed the colours about slightly. I've got the front plate here that goes underneath the fairing. It's like a radiator cover. I've done that in red. I've got the spacer that goes underneath between the fairing and the actual bodywork done in red, so that stands out between the black and the blue. Front forks are chrome, headsets chrome, exhausts chrome, and the sprockets are chrome. I've just got to go over the chain. Oops. It's very fragile. Over the chain with a little bit of gold, just to bring that out. And most of it then is assembly. But at the moment I'm waiting for everything to dry properly first. I've got the front downpipes done in aluminium chromey colour. The tyres I've roughed up. Give them that worn look. But once they've had a wipe over, this is what I normally do. I normally rough them up and then take a little scream off and just rub them back over like so. It just gets all the sand and dust off them, so they don't look like a dusty tyre. They look like a worn but not dusty. And there we have the worn look of the tyre drying out now. There we go. That's the kind of colour it will come, instead of, you can see the difference. This one here has not been done and this one has, so it gives you a difference. It gives you a little stand to put it on, but I'm not going to bother with that. I'm actually going to do a very small diorama with it, about probably a 5x5 diorama sort of thing, small, with a little bit of grass on the inside and like a curb. Taking this for example, you couldn't see me there, I was off camera. If this was the actual diorama base that I was going to use, I'd be wanting pencil. I'm going to do it banked over on the corner, so the bike is actually coming round the corner, sort of thing. On the corner I want something like you can see that. That's a bit better. This section here will be grass, then I'll have a curb coming round like that in white or something, and then this bit here will be all the tarmac. So basically what we end up with is grass just here with a white curb in between, tarmac colour flooring, decking, whatever you want to call it, and the bike actually coming round the corner like so, banked over towards the curb slightly. So that's what I'm looking to do. Whether it comes out like that, we never know, because you never know. You might change your mind and I might have it going over the finishing line doing a wheelie. You never know. But it's the first motorbike I've done, and it is pretty basic. Like I say, I don't buy things like this. It was a birthday present, so you know, for my daughter, and she said she was sick of seeing me doing planes and cars, and she wanted to see me do something different. So she bought me this as a little challenge, as well as a birthday present. And one thing they should know by now is never challenge a modeler, because they will go out their way to do these things. So this is what I'm doing, and I've made this priority to do this first, just so you don't think I'm shying away from it. And well, that's about it. So I'll catch you on the next update, lads. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe like I always say, and don't mess about with super glue, because if you get your fingers stuck together, your mum or your wife or girlfriend will never forgive you. Alright guys, take it easy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye bye.